Hi friends, good evening. Manju here and welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to work with NVL functions, NVL and NVL2 functions in Oracle SQL. So how you can use NVL functions in Oracle or NVL2 functions, for what purpose you are using NVL functions. So okay, let's see that. So NVL function is used to replace the null value by some other value. Okay, so if in one table, in one column, some of the null values are present there, think that some of the null values are present over there, and if you want to replace those null values by some other value, okay, so in that situation we use NVL functions. So why use NVL2 functions in Oracle? So if you want to replace not null value and null value both by some other values, then we use NVL2 functions. So uh, what we think that NVL is used to replace the null values by some other values, and NVL2 functions used to replace not null values and null values, both of them. Okay, so with an example I will show you in SQL Developer. So let's move to SQL Developer. This is what my table here, and here are records are there, and you right click and click on count rows, you will have 107 records. Okay, so now I write the query here like to fetch the NVL function. So select NVL of commission percentage, comma, in single quote 0.36%, sorry, 0.36, close the quotation and parenthesis, from employees. Okay, so this is what fetch the records of null values, which is replaced by this value 0.3%. You can see here in commission percentage column you have so many of null values here. So below you have some values already present, but null values will get replaced by 0.36. Okay, so let us control enter, execute that. So you will get here 0.36. okay, these values are before having not defined value, that is null values. Okay, so below you can see the not null values as it is present there. So you can see here null values are replaced by some other values, what we mentioned here 0.36 values. So if you want to replace not null values and null values both, you can use NVL2 function, and here you have to give one more value for not null value. So quotation 0.6. okay, so this is what I want to give for not null value, and here if I execute this query, the not null values are replaced by 0.6 and null values are replaced by 0.36. So let us see that, control enter, execute that. So you will get here as it is 0.36 for null values before we executed this, and remaining not null values are all are like 0.6, you can see here. Okay, so you can come to a concept that how we can use NVL and NVL2 functions in Oracle SQL. So NVL is used to replace null values with some other values, NVL2 function is used to replace not null values and null values, both the things. So I hope you can understood this video. So let us, I will be with you in next query, important query. So till that, have a nice day, take care, we will meet you in next video. Thank you.